Jave Beats exclusive.
Welcome back to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare an amazing beetroot juice. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get further contents like these. The ingredients for this beetroot juice will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go over and check it out. Now here's what you need to make that amazing natural beetroot juice. I'm using 3 beetroot, I'm using 2 lemon, I'm using ginger, I'm using 3 carrots, I'm using few stalks of celery, and also I'm using honey to sweeten it. Guys, I'm going to start out to peel my beetroot, add it to my blender with the rest of the stuff. Guys, you want to start with your beetroot first, because it's easier for the blender to blend it. Guys, remember guys, beetroot is also good for low blood pressure. So anyone got low blood pressure, beetroot is good for that. It's full of vitamin C also. Guys, if you're wondering why I'm wearing the gloves, it's so that the beetroot do not mess up my hand, do not stain it up. So I have on the gloves. You don't have to if you don't have any gloves. You want to cut them up small, guys. Add them to your blender. Guys, this is amazing juice. It's really nice. I tried it already. Now guys, I'm showing you guys how to do this lovely beetroot juice with carrot and celery, so your lovely ginger and lemon. So guys, just like that. I'm going to start out with my carrot. Now I'm going to add my carrots. Small. Blend this so you can blend it easily, guys. Also, you're going to add a cup of water to this. Just like that, cut a bit of celery. The celery smelling so lovely, guys. Smell it lovely. It's also good for weight loss too, guys. Celery. You guys already know that the carrot is good for your eyesight. Yes, guys, this is amazing juice, guys. Guys, try this one at home, it's so lovely. I'm gonna add my lemon. So you want to cut up your lemon, guys. Peel off the skin off it, just like that. Yeah, I'm gonna add my ginger. Guys, you don't have to peel the ginger. Remember, you're gonna strain it after this. You don't really have to peel off the skin off of the ginger. Just cut them up fine. So it's easier for the blender to blend it. Just gonna add that now. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water now. There we go, guys. Now it's time to blend. You're gonna blend this about a minute or 2. Make sure it's properly blended, guys. Yes, guys, there you have it. After that 1 to 2 minutes, this is how you want your beetroot to look. Just like that, guys. Smelling so delicious, guys. Just strain it in this basin here. Just like that, guys. spoon just to stir that, so it's easier to go through the strainer. Guys, if you was here to smell this beetroot and this ginger and carrot and celery, guys, it's smelling so amazing. It's also good for your health, guys. This is all natural. Guys, you just want to do it like that and then press it down. You can strain all of that lovely juice. Just gonna get a bigger spoon to do this. See that, guys? So you want to do it. Squeeze it out. This, guys, you can see I put my trash one side because I'm going to blend it again. I'm gonna put some more water on that and blend it. This is how you want to strain it, guys. Use a big spoon and your strainer, press it, get all of that juice out of it. Just like that, guys. Just like that, guys. And now I'm going to put the trash one side. I'm going to use it again, put some more water on it, and give that a blend, guys. Put this to the side. I'm going to blend some more juice, some more beetroot, and some more carrot and celery, and some more ginger and lime. Start off by cutting up my celery again. Just like that. I'm gonna add my beetroot. Remember to add your beetroot first, guys. It's more easier to blend. Remember, guys, beetroot is also good for low blood pressure. And you wanna, you guys got low blood pressure, you can try this beetroot juice. If you don't want to put the celery or the carrot in it, but make sure you add your ginger to it. With just your beetroot. It's also a lovely juice. Yes, guys. You already know the carrot is good for your eyesight. I'm just mixing them. I'm just gonna add some of the celery now. Amazing juice, guys. It's so lovely and refreshing. You can have it with anything. Having a dinner, your breakfast, or your lunch. Yes, guys, this beetroot juice is so lovely. I'll add some more carrots. The rest of my ginger. And that's what gives it that lovely taste, guys. Ginger. So I'm cutting it fine. You don't have to peel them, remember, guys. You don't have to peel them. If you just wash off your ginger, cut it up, throw it in the blender, and blend it up. Because you're gonna strain it. And I'm gonna add my lime. You want to peel it, guys, just like that. Follow that skin. You just cut that in two. Just like that, guys. Add about 2 cups of water to this. Now I'm gonna blend it again, guys, for the next minute or two. Now, guys, I'm finished blending the second batch, but add it to a bigger blender so I can also add the rest of my trash that I have to give it a next blend with it. Yes, guys, so I can get some more juice from this trash. Just add it to it. Wow. Just like that, guys. I'm just gonna give this a blend again, guys. About the next minute. Guys. Yes, guys, I'm finished blending that now. Now I'm going to strain that again. Give that the next strain. Get that lovely juice. All of that. using a bigger spoon now, guys, so it's more easier. Just like that, just press it out in your strainer to get out that lovely beetroot juice with all of that celery, lime, ginger, and carrot that you blend up. Yes, guys. This is amazing juice, guys. So lovely, so refreshing, especially in the summertime. So nice, guys. Just like that, guys. So you want to squeeze out all of that juice. You don't want none to waste. Now, guys, this is the last of it. I'm straining. That's it. It's finished now. I'm just gonna press this out and strain it. Before I add it to my blender, guys, I'm just gonna give it a next strain again. Wait. If any of the trash get inside of it, side of my juice that I'm having in the pan, in the basin. So I'm gonna give it a second strain. And then I'm gonna wash out my blender and then add back my juice to my blender and then throw my honey inside of it. I'm just gonna use a blender to blend in my honey inside of this lovely beetroot juice, guys. That's it, guys. Now you can get rid of this trash. I'm gonna get rid of this trash now, guys, and put this one side. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna wash out my blender. Yes, guys. Now I'm finished rinsing out my blender and also my strainer. I'm using a thinner mesh strainer to strain it again, guys. I'm gonna strain it in the next basin, and then I apply it to my blender to blend up that honey inside of it. That's the way you want to do it. That's what I'm talking about, guys. See that? That's what I'm talking about, guys. Just like that. I'm just going to use a spoon, give it a press. The trash, guys. You're going to squeeze out this trash again. Give it a second strain, guys. Use a bigger spoon. That's finished. Now I'm going to pour this into my blender. Guys, it's looking so rich and red, guys. Looking so lovely. Now I'm going to put my honey in. I'm going to add my honey now, guys. Sweeten it to your taste, how sweet you want it. It's up to you, guys. I'm just going to pour half of this honey and then blend it. And then give it back a taste. Give it a taste to see how sweet it is or not. Yes, guys. Guys, just like that, you just blend it for about 5 seconds, not too long. And I'm gonna give this a taste to see how sweet it is. Okay, I think this wants some more honey. Add some more honey to it, guys. If you don't have honey at home, you can also use brown sugar or granulated white sugar. It's up to you guys what you want, but I'm doing it all natural honey with all that natural stuff that I put in there, that beetroot and that ginger, celery. And I'm just gonna blend it for about 20 seconds again. Guys, I just when I tasted it a while ago, guys. Oh, so amazing, guys. It's lovely. Yes, that's it, guys. That's how you prepare your natural beetroot juice with your celery, your carrot, your ginger and lime. Now I'm going to throw it into my glass jug. and then put it into the fridge. Leave it to cool, guys. Have a glass of it later with my dinner. Yes, guys. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave your comment, guys. Tell me what you think about this juice when you try it at home. Thanks for watching.